Hello guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Oakley Low Key sunglasses. The model on these is the OO9433. This particular one, the color code is 0554. It's going to be a matte black with prism rose gold polarized lenses. Alright, so let's take a look inside. So it's going to come in the Oakley box here. Inside you're gonna get the Oakley case. You're gonna get the Oakley manufacturer's warranty booklet, very standard. Anytime like women's, so the Low Key is for women's, and you're gonna get this case with the women's. You don't get it for the men's. It's usually either the black or the white, with this nice little strap here. But it's not a hard case. It's, you know, it's not really gonna protect it. Yeah. Inside you're gonna get your sunglasses, and it comes with the cloth here / pouch case. So the case they make the case in China. It says case made in China. The cloths usually is, I think it's Cambodia. Yep. Alright. So this is the Low Key. So the frame color is matte black. Very nice. And the lenses are the prism rose gold polarized lenses. A very nice mirror finish. So the stickers here, it just says prism for prism lenses, and this it says it has a tick on the P meaning polarized, and a tick on the RX meaning RXable. Pretty much most things are RXable, unless it's like, you know, maybe a shield lens. Like, it's always doable, but it just costs a fortune to always get prescription in them. So, all right. So, I mean, right off the bat, extremely lightweight. It also has these very nice, what was it, unobtainium nose pads, basically like a rubber nose pad, almost basically like a silicone nose pad. So on the right side, on the left side, it's gonna have the model number and the size information here. So with the size, it's gonna be, it's 54mm lens width. It's gonna be 19mm bridge width. It's gonna be 49.9mm lens height, and it's gonna be 140mm temple length. So with this, I would probably say it's more like a medium, so it'll fit most people. On the right side here, it will have this little red icon here that says USA assembled. Some models will say USA made, but I guess this one is just assembled in USA, not completely made in the USA. But you know, at least now they put it. Like before, they used to just not put anything. Sometimes it's just blank, so you had no idea where they were made. Also, it's hard to see, you might miss it sometimes, but it does say Low Key there, the name of the model. So the lenses, you're going to see in brown. Also on the front, it does, the lenses do say prizm P for polarized. I do like how the temples fold here. I'll show you. So it kind of has this, it kind of folds onto the front. And it has this like nice triangle, which adds to the look of the frame. It almost kind of looks like cat ears in a way, like very little ones, but. So this frame, being very lightweight, it's made with the all matter material, so basically plastic. Even the sides here, the Oakley logo here, Oakley, but it looks metal, but I think it's just plastic. So there's like no added weight anywhere. Probably the only metal piece there is the hinge screw. So it is kind of stiff opening and closing, but it's not a huge deal. But you know, have that in mind. It just kind of snap in place. But certainly nothing to worry about. So Oakley mentions this as being like a casual frame. So it's kind of in between like a sporty and casual frame. It's like not too crazy sporty. It's kind of in between sporty and casual. So these do retail for $193, being the polarized version. So this is the more expensive version. There are like non-polarized color combinations. I think that's $163, so it's like $30 less if you didn't mind about polarized. So overall, I think it's a very nice frame, well made. I mean, at the end of the day, you're really always going to be paying more for a brand name pair of sunglasses. But you know, Oakley do make very nice frames. So. Also, you know, these nose pads really comfortable, so you can wear them for a long time with not much issues. So yeah, overall, very good frame. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.